Hey y'all, this is your calculating speed quiz 1. If you can make sure you circle your answers on your test and then you also bubble them into your bubble sheet. You can pause, rewind, fast forward, all of that. When you're finished, if you could please turn in only your bubble sheet. Keep your test at your desk because we're going to grade it when we're done. And then get to work on your vocabulary after you've turned in your bubble sheet. All right, number 1. A student runs 2 times around a running path at a local park. Each lap is 3 kilometers. The student completes the first lap in 20 minutes. The student then sits on a bench and rests for 5 minutes before completing the second lap in 25 minutes. Which graph best represents the student's motion? We have A with distance and time, and this is the graph. B, again, distance and time. Your graph looks like this. C, distance and time. And again, D has distance and time, and the graph looks like this. If you need to come back up to the problem to help you with that, you can. When you've marked that answer and you're ready to move on, I'm going to go to number 2. All right, number 2 says determine the speed in meters per second of a bowling ball that rolls 12 meters in 2.2 seconds. Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. So you need to do your calculation and then be sure to bubble it in on the bubble sheet. All right, number 3, students begin to measure the speed of a ball rolling down a ramp. The graph below shows their results. So we have distance and we have time. It says, what is the average speed of the ball? A, 4 meters per second. B, 5 meters per second. C, 14 meters per second. Or D, 20 meters per second. All right, number 4. An egg is dropped from a balcony that is 32 feet from the ground. A timer on the ground indicated that it took 1 second for the egg to hit the ground after it was released. What was the speed of the egg when it hit the sidewalk? You need to pause so you can do your calculation. You can do that. And then your answer options are F, 32 feet per second, G, 16 feet per second, H, 1 foot per second, or J, you do not have enough information about the size of the egg to answer this question. All right, number 5. A toy car rolls 8 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the toy car? You need to pause so you can do your calculation. Do that now. A, 16 meters per second. B, 10 meters per second. C, 6 meters per second. Or D, 4 meters per second. All right, when you've finished, make sure that you've circled your answer on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that you've bubbled all of them in. Then turn in your bubble sheet. Keep your test at your desk, and go grab your journal and a vocabulary folder and begin working on the words that are projected on the screen. All right, thanks. And if you'll also please leave this video up, don't X out.